Hello kids, today we have a full box of toys here. This is a Tyrannosaurus. This is a cute baby. This is a Stegosaurus. And what is this? This is animal. And this is dinosaurs too. Dinosaurs. And we have several dinosaurs. Here we have zebra, monkey, lion. We have snake here. And then we have snake again. And what we have here? Elephant. And tiger. Peacock there. Dinosaur again. Wow, this is a crocodile. What? Crocodile. This is huge crocodile. And this is a giraffe and cheetah. And the last is sea animal. There's a starfish, and then shark and turtle and crab. Yeah. Wow. Let's open these toys. There are a lot of toys here. This is a T-Rex. Wow. We have this Stegosaurus. It can lights up. Then what we have here? Yeah. We have this animal. Lion Mountain here. It's a lion mountain. And this is a bison. This is a deer. And we have raccoon here. Okay, and we have a mouse here. Oh. Okay, the other one is a pack of a dinosaur.
Wow!
Let's see what we have here. Wow, it's a dinosaur. It's like a duck. And then a flying dinosaurs. Wow, look at that. It's like a pterodactyl. Woo. Here. And then this is a triceratops. Look at the horn. There are 3 horns. And the shield is awesome. Put here. And then we have what is this? A brontosaurus. This is a big one. But here it is small. Then what else? Yeah, we have a raptor. This is yellow raptor. Look at the teeth. The raptor is so scary. Okay, let's put it here. What? Look at this. This is a brontosaurus. This is a lion. This is a bison. This is a bear. And this is a pterodactyl. This is triceratops, a bear, and look at that, a raccoon, a mouse. This is a duck dinosaur. Hey, the raptor is dying. Oh, I'm hungry. He said he's hungry. He won't eat you. Okay. And then we have a cute baby here. Oh, cute baby and the raptor. Oh my god. And then this. Hey, excuse me. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, this is my family. Please don't disturb this baby. It's a very cute baby. Okay? Okay. I don't disturb the baby. I'm gonna go. Here, I wanna sleep too here. Oh my god. Nice. But then what is this? Warning, this is a toy. Oh my god. Where is... Oh my god. The Stegosaurus is eaten alive. Whoa. By the T-Rex. This is a T-Rex. Okay, the T-Rex have this paper. Now, let's cut them. Let's cut this. Okay. The T-Rex now is free. Dinosaur world. This is pretty awesome. I like this. Okay, this is our animal. From the baby and the sleeping dinosaurs and lion and the sleeping T-Rex. Look. Oh, I'm sleepy. I'm so sleepy. Oh, get up. And then the Pteranodon here. And what is this? Oh. And the bear here. Oh, he's asleep again. Oh. Oh my. Sleep again. And I wanna sleep. I can't see. Where's the eyes? Oh, that's the eyes. Nice. Nice. Thanks for watching.